Alright, here we go. Welcome back to my channel mga kanoypi. Here's your boy Forex Noypi and it is day 4 ng ating prop firm challenge. So ngayon, as usual, ang objective nito is to show you na sobrang importante ang mag-test ng approach ninyo sa market. Hindi dapat kayo nanonood ng YouTube strategies tapos mag-open na kayo ng live account tapos bobombahin nyo na kagad. Hindi pwedeng ganon. It requires a lot of patience, a lot of time if you want to be consistently profitable. So, ginawa natin ng account, ng prop firm account, yung binacktest nating strategy and we backtested that for 3 months. And this is now our day 4 of implementing that strategy. So, let's dive in. So, ngayon, ito yung mga trades na titingnan natin today. At meron tayong 3 trades na in-execute as usual dahil sa testing na ginawa ko, 3 asset lang ang tinitrade natin. That's the UK 100, the US 30, and the S&P 500. So, ano nga bang nangyari dito? Let's take a look. So, simulan natin sa UK 100. So, kita natin, this was a stop loss and the strategy is really just simple. It is an opening break strategy at the markets opened alas 3 ng hapon dito sa Pilipinas. So, balikan natin yung alas 3 na yon. I think this is the candle. Tingnan nga natin ulit. Ayun. Hindi. Dito siya. Alam ko na. This is it. So, ito yung candle na yon. Lakihan natin. So, ito siya. I am plotting the range. Itong candle na to. Paano ko nalaman? Alam ko medyo mahirap tingnan dito kasi yung kulay. Pero this is the opening candle and that's 7 o'clock UTC which is 3 p.m. dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So ngayon, ang nangyari, nag-break yung price above. Tapos nagkaroon ng retracement candle, isa lang pero hindi siya tumama doon sa price line natin. Kasi it's supposed to be a break and retest. Hindi nangyari yon. Tapos umangat na siya hanggang sa umabot na siya ng gabi at doon tumama sa price line natin nung gabi na dito sa atin. Tapos it went up, it even broke this high. Akala natin it's going to be another breakout of resistance pero hindi ganun yung nangyari. Hanggang sa nagpadausdos na siya and tumama na siya sa stop loss level natin which lost me 1%. Okay, 1% nung $10,000 kasi ang objective natin, even if this is a $100,000 account, ang objective natin is not to go beyond our max drawdown. So hindi siya masyadong aggressive. We're just doing 1% of that max drawdown until we reach our target goal. Okay? So, yun yung nangyari nung hapon. No? Pumunta naman tayo sa gabi. So, I had my sell trade here, US 30. Dito, medyo madali kasi ito lang yung opening range candle niya. Nag-open ang US market ng 9:30 dito sa Pilipinas. Ito siya. So, yung may wick na yan, that was my high and this is my low. Tapos, nung nag-break below yung price, nag-limit order na ako. So, that simple. That's what I did. Tapos, break siya above this high. Pero, eventually, nagpadaus-dus na siya pababa. And that was my take profit there. That is a 1:2. Kung makikita nyo naman, I risked 100 and I took 201.41. Almost a perfect TP here kasi dito siya nag-close Tapos umangat na yung price pabalik sa price line ko which which was all right. Ngayon, that's US 30, right? Punta ngayon tayo sa S&P 500. Bakit ganon? $16 lang yung kinita ko dito. Why? So, ganito yung nangyari dyan. Similarly, sa US 30, the price, this was my opening range. Etong candle na to, big candle down. Nung nag-break yan, I entered in here. As you will see, there, I entered. Pero bakit ako dito nag-close? Kasi my take profit here was way below here. Kasi 1:2 nga yung target ko eh. So, ang nangyari, nung bumaba na siya doon, trade management na lang. Ang ginawa ko, I moved my stops here dahil inisip ko baka this is a good support or resistance zone. Tapos may resistance din dito. So, I placed it in there. But the price still went and broke that resistance. Which means, I took partial profits. I took a few profits off of it. At that gave me a total of 16.45. Ngayon, mga kanoy, pinaka-importante sa lahat, syempre, kailangan i-journal natin yun. Diba? So, na-journal ko na yung UK 100 kong trade. At ilalagay na ngayon natin yung dalawang US market trades natin. So, dali lang naman to. Really just copy-paste. Tapos, parehas naman niya nag-win. And then, my risk on both, I believe, was 100.5. 100.05. So, inalagay ko to dito para alam ko kung ilan yung risk ko. Pero dito sa S&P 500, we took only 16.45, but in US 30, we took 201.41. Ayan. So, both of those, I was intending to have a risk to reward ratio, but I didn't get that. So, syempre, ilalagay ko rin dito yung price, kung saan ako nag-enter, US 30. That was at 42,400.60. Tapos, ang entry price ko naman sa S&P 500, ayan na, ipapop up na yung mga meetings ko, is 5808.5. Nag-sell tayo parehas dito. So, alright. Okay. So, overall, if I look at my today's gain, I got $118.69, right? That means I'm already 5.07% to goal. At malayo-layo pa mga Kanoy P, 9,400 pa bago tayo makapasa dito sa challenge na to. It's just a one-step challenge. So at the moment I get to that 9,492 mark, I don't know how long that's gonna take. Pero trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, right? It's for a long-term investment. You invest in yourself, you learn from it, and then you do that. Okay? So, ayun lang mga Kanoy P. This is day 4. We still had a pretty good day despite that loss. In my back testing or in my testing stages, my risk tolerance or losing tolerance is up to 8. Kasi natalo tayo ng 8 sunod-sunod doon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yon. Following the same strategy, I lost 8 consecutive times. And I still end up, after 3 months, still profiting 18%. Which is here, 18%. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung objective natin to begin with dito sa video na to. So, ayoko nang pahabain. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, mga Kanoy P, I am also a fundamental trader. Those take long videos and I really don't have time for that. Pero, kung may mga katanungan kayo in terms of trading, anything that is in relation to trading, comment down below. And if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. Ayun lang mga Kanoy P, maraming salamat sa manonood and I'll see you on my next video.